Hi guys, we're online. Just need a couple of minutes to check if everything is clear. No, yeah, everything's all right. Okay, so just wait for one additional minute and let's get started. Okay, so it's 1 p.m. in New York. Let's get started. My name is Slava. I'm an account executive at Serpstat. And today I will show you how to use Serpstat properly and how to know about all the features which we have, which can greatly help you to conduct all your processes in SEO, in PPC researches. So you will get acquainted with everything you need to know about Serpstat today. All right, so let me share my screen and let me get to serpstat.com. Great. So first of all, I want to say that we have launched a new database, German one, as you can already saw it on our cover of the webinar page. So we are proudly presented because we have made the biggest and the cleanest database in the whole world. Besides, we have refreshed United States database, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australian. So they are also the biggest and the cleanest one in the whole world. So let's get started. I will choose my favorite website, abdazida.com. They are playing around with the wallpapers, like design inspiration, things, so on. So first of all, when you are started to work with the Serpstat, you surely have to choose the database which you want to work with, because all the databases have different information, certainly. So today I will show you all the models which we have, the features in each of these models, and we'll get deep in all this stuff. So first of all, we have the overview page where you can find the express analysis of the website, which can help you to understand what is going on with the website. First of all, you should pay your attention on the visibility. Visibility, it's the meaning of how your website is optimized, how it's popular in SERP list, by the number of keywords which you by which your website rank for in top 20 positions and their volume. So the higher number of these keywords you will have, the higher volume of these keywords you also will have. So the higher visibility your website will have also. Visibility, it's pretty important thing, because visibility can help you to understand how your processes of the optimization influence on the dynamics of your positions, of your of your growing or going down of your website in the SERP list. So here on the visibility trend, you can find the dates when our crawler goes through the website and parse the information from them. So you can correlate the processes of the optimization which you implement on your website with this graph, and see how these processes influence on the again growing or going down of your positions. And also you can use visibility to find out to research your competitors and see which visibility each of your competitor has, and like how better you can be, and from which competitor you should take an example and analyze it. Then we have the ACID traffic points, which help you to understand which traffic approximately the website has in a month, but just from organic search. Also here, the number of keywords in organic search appeared, and the number of paid search keywords. Let me switch to United Kingdom database, and I hope that I will find here. No, unfortunately, there is no paid search keywords. Okay, so I just wanted to show you paid search firstly, because we have little bit less like features about the paid search, but more for SEO processes. But let me go on, and then I will switch to another one website who has paid search certainly. So after this, we have the keyword position distribution, where you can find how many keywords you have in different tabs, your subdomains list of the analyzed website, the visibility trend, which I have already shown you, and also the keywords trend, where you can find the graph which help you to understand by how many keywords your website rank for on some specific period of time. Also, here is the pages with the highest visibility, which give you the understanding of which pages are the most popular on your websites, which pages gain the biggest amount of traffic on your website. Also, here is the competitors in organic search. It's the short list, but we have the full report, which I will show you a little bit later, and competitors graph, where you can find the precision level and recall level by your competitors here. Okay, so let me switch to, for example, Nike.com. They certainly have the paid search. So also, when you have some paid search information, it will appear also here in the list of your competitors, and the ad examples of your like advertisement company. Also, here you can find the backlinks overview, and when you will start your project in Rank Tracker and in Site Audit, they will also appear right here. So let's get started from the paid search. We have two types of the PPC analysis. First of all, you can analyze any website which you're interested in by the keywords, for example. This report can greatly help you to see the list of the keywords by which the analyzed website give the advertisements. Truly speaking, no service in the world, and Serpstat also give you the analysis of paid search in the real time. So all this data which you see right here in this report, you can this information is actual for the data of the last parsing of your website. So sometimes you can find not like the full PPC campaign, because we cannot scan every time all your campaigns. So some information could be not like maybe the most accurate, because we cannot show you the full list of them. But nevertheless, we have a lot of data according to paid search of the analyzed domains. Here in the keywords report by the domain analysis and PPC research, you can find the list of the keywords by which this website give the advertisement campaigns. And also you can find the ad examples right here, the position of the domain by this keyword, the volume of the keyword, average cost per click on this keyword, and level of competition. We have also here the ad examples, which like give you the information about the ad and the list of the keywords by which this specific ad is working in the paid search, and surely the information about the keywords. Also, we have the ad research, which can help you to find the landing pages which are being used to direct people from these exact ads or these exact keywords. Besides, we have here the competitors report, which can help you to find who's your competitor by the keywords, by your campaign which you have, and it bases on the common keywords. I mean that we find the websites who also give the advertisements by the same keywords as you are. It's clickable, so you are able to look through this. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, let me check here. I'm sorry for this. Okay, let me refresh my page. Sometimes it happens. Don't worry about it because it's software. Yeah. So when you click on this digit, you can find the full list of common keywords of your website and your competitor. And also you can find the missing keywords, which means that this amount of keywords additionally used by your competitor on their website, but you don't use these keywords totally at all. I'm sorry. So here you can find the list of your competitors, your market, etc. And you can use domain versus domain, where it's the easy way to find some unique or common information from the required websites which you're interested in. For example, in this case, you can click on the circles, you can click on the digits and easily set up the necessary report. Domain versus domain greatly help you because first of all, you can find the sizes of the list of keywords which each of these websites use in their campaigns of the paid search. And here is like the easy way to find out which keywords you have in common with your competitor, or which keywords each of your competitor has in unique, so on. So the next type of the paid search analysis, it's to input some keyword. For example, I will choose running shoes, and here you can find running shoes. And in keyword research, in PPC research, you will find like also the list of the keywords by which your competitors use in their PPC campaign. So here you can find like different ideas of what your competitors use in their campaigns, which also ads they use, the information according to keywords, etc. So it's like the same information, but from the different types of analyzing. First of all, you analyze the domain and see their competitors and their information. On the other hand, you can use some keyword and research for who are also promoting such website, such keywords. I'm sorry, some different ways of these keywords which are semantically connected with your like content, with your keywords, etc. So all the same, like competitors, ad examples, and ad research. So let's get back to the Nike.com, for example, and I will start to show you what you can do by the SEO research. So first of all, let's start from the competitors, because it's pretty looks like the PPC competitors, but here we have additional like it also bases on the common keywords. We give you the most relevant competitors of yours, also the missing keywords over here, and here you can find the number of relevance, for example, to understand how similar you are with your competitors. Also, here is the full list of keywords which each of this website has, and visibility according to our algorithm, which I have shown you on the overview page. By this visibility, you can find out who is the best on your market, who makes the best optimization of the website, and who you should use to research and take the example and understand how better you can be. Also, we have here the domain versus domain. It works the similar way. It shows the common and unique information from each of the websites. So I will not like lose my time to show it again. In SEO research reports, we have the positions report, which can help you to see the list of keywords by which this domain ranks for in top 100 in Google search. According to all the keywords, we provide you with the position of the domain by each of these keywords, the volume of these keywords, and also the information by the average cost, the URL where it bases, and the level of competition. Information in Serpstat is updating averagely once in 3 weeks. We are updating high volume keywords more often, like once in 2 weeks or even often. But low volume or even micro volume, we are surely updating a little bit longer, like once in 3 or 4 weeks. So averagely is 3 weeks. But the positions, it's for understanding total information, for analyzing your competitors, to researching their semantic words, etc. But if we will talk about the tracking of your position, you should surely use the rank tracker, which I will show you a little bit later. And also here in positions, you can find the information by how many keywords the analyzed website rank for in different region, different databases. Here is the great report, which we called TreeView, which can help you to find not just the list of the keywords by which the website ranked for, but also you can find here the structure of the website. I mean that TreeView show you the page of the website and the list of the keywords by which exactly this page ranking for. So when you will look through the, like in this case, Nike.com has a lot of really keywords on their website, so I should go through several pages to show you the picture of the structure. I'm sorry for this. I forget that Nike.com is a pretty large one. So like in this case, we see the page and the list of the keywords by which exactly this page ranking for. Again, next page and next list of keywords. So TreeView really helps to understand which structure of the website you should have. When you analyzing, for example, your top competitor, you can find out like which pages they have, which keywords they use to rank for each of their pages, and you understand which structure you should have, which pages you should add on your website, and take everything complete. So also tab pages gives you the list of the pages of the website which are open to be indexed, the number of keywords by which each of these pages rank for, number of shares in Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google+, and also we have the potential traffic. Potential traffic, it's the number of traffic which you can attract on your website potentially. I mean, on this exact page. So there is potential traffic according to all these pages. Potential traffic calculated by the number of keywords and their volume which you have right now in top 20. So when you will improve the positions of all these keywords by which your website ranking for right now in top 20 to the first position in SERP list, in search engine, you will gain this potential traffic. While the optimization of the pages, surely, for example, if you will grow the list of your keywords on your page, surely the potential traffic will be changed. So look after this. Also, Serpstat gives the possibility to analyze not just domain, but also the some specific URLs. For example, let's take this one, and you can look through the okay, and let's switch to URL analysis. You can also see the overview about the number of keywords you have in exactly on this page, number of keywords in paid search exactly on this page, the list of keywords, it works the same. Also the competitors, and here is the URL versus URL. It works pretty simple and looks like the domain versus domain, but here you can input some specific URLs which are similar, for example, on your website and on the website of your competitors, and see also the common and unique information for each of these pages. So it's also really helpful if you have some fresh one website which you just start to work with, and you do not know which keywords you have to own on this exact page. So you can here input 3 pages of your competitors and find out their common core, and surely this core will be your start of growing on this page. It will be your semantic on this exact page. So it's pretty helpful to work with. Our unique feature in URL analysis is the missing keywords. Missing keywords basis on top 10 competitors of yours by the similar one pages. So we look through the similar pages of your top 10 competitors and give you the results of which keywords you have missed on your page, but which are being used by your competitors on the similar one pages. So where you see none, it means that your page and even your website doesn't rank for this keyword. So you should add it on your page because it's pretty relevant for you. But missing keywords works just with the optimized pages, which has at least 3 keywords in top 10. So if you have some pages or even website which is not optimized already pretty well, so you can use missing keywords to analyze your competitors' pages, find also the keywords which they have missed on their pages, and in this way you will have the advantage before them, because if they do not use Serpstat, they doesn't know about their missing keywords, but you do. So you have a great advantage before them. If you will see, like here other URLs contain, it means that you have this keyword, you have the some specific position according to this exact keyword, and it shows you which page has this keyword. So taking into account that your competitors use this keyword on the similar page of this one, maybe you should put this keyword on this exact page, and maybe you will get more like profit using and having this keyword on this exact website, I mean page, sorry. So try it and analyze it. Maybe it will really get more profit in this case. So let's move to the keyword research. I will take run and choose again, and show you how to proceed with the keyword research. We have 3 great models to make exactly keyword research. First of all, it's keyword selection, which can help you to find the most popular keywords which are connected and related to acquired one keyword. So here is the list. We just launched the keyword difficulty for the USA database. It works really accurate, and forgive us for like some loading on some specific keywords, because the database is pretty large and we are still updating some of the keywords on their difficulty, because we have made the deepest and greatest algorithm which can help you to get the most accurate information according to the keyword difficulty. Also, according to all the keywords, we provide you with their volume for last year, for last month, average cost in paid search, and level of competition in paid search. The next one, it's the cluster research. Cluster research, it's also our unique algorithm, which bases on the top 20 competitors who have already optimized their pages by your acquired one keyword. So cluster research gives you a lot of really great results which keyword like standard keyword planners doesn't show you. In cluster research, you will find a lot of not ordinary results, additional results by which you can also attract new traffic, new customers, clients, etc. And here in cluster research, you can find the connection strength points by which you can understand how many pages of those top 20 competitors already used this list of keywords. And the third one feature in keyword research, it's the search suggestions. This is the list of the long tails keywords, by which is the easiest way to get high ranks and use it on the first steps. So search suggestions, especially made for those who want to research for long tails keywords. So all these 3 models can greatly help you to analyze all your keywords, to expand your semantic course, to find some like useful results, useful keywords by which you can also attract additional traffic on your website, on your pages. In keyword research model, we also have great top pages report, which help you to understand who is competing with you on the direct pages by the acquired one keyword. So top pages gives you not like domains of your competitors generally, but the specific URLs, which is direct, like they are competing directly with your keyword, with your pages. And surely, according to all the pages, we also give you their shares to understand how popular this page or not, and the number of keywords by which each of these pages rank for. So it's clickable. You can surely click on it and see the full list of those keywords. And one more great thing in keyword selection, in keyword research, I'm sorry, I want to show you, it's the keyword, it's the search questions. Search questions, it's the awesome tool to content writers, for blog writers, because here we help you to find the questions which people really interested in the Google search. So you can turn these questions into the topics for your content writing, giving relevant answers, using relevant keywords in these topics, and make your content unique and really high quality. So all our users greatly like this tool, and it's really help to make great content on your pages and on your website. So I advise to use it for your any content or any blog writings. Okay, so after the keyword search, we have the backlink analysis. Let me switch to abrazida.com, and let's see what we have here. First of all, backlink analysis has the overview page where you can find the total information about your backlinks. We show you here the referring domains, the total number of your referring domains, the referring pages, how many pages totally indexed, how many referring IPs and subnets you have, and also if you have educational or government domain zones, it will also appear right here. And here you we give you your average page and trust rank according to your list of your referring domains and your referring pages. So additional information is the graphs through the last 3 months, which can help you to see how is your backlinks growing. Do you have new backlinks or the lost ones? It's also shown right here. And if you have, for example, new referring domains, and we have also the anchors list, due to which you can also like qualify and check your backlinks. In referring domains report, we have the details about them. Here is the list of your referring domains. Here is the list of referring pages, and even you can look through like how many backlinks and where do they bases. And also, and also like as I said, due to page and trust ranks, you can qualify your backlinks. For example, if as I remember, they have here, yeah, I'm right. So, for example, if you see that you have the referring domain with the low ranks, it helps you to understand that you should close such website from your ranks by the disavow command, because such website doesn't help you, but they can even damage your ranks. So the best way is to close up such low ranks website. On the one hand, you can look through your backlinks to find again the new ones or the lost ones backlinks. We have here the donor URLs, the acceptors, the date of the lost, etc. And on the other hand, you can here analyze your top competitor, for example, see their details about their referring domains, find some strong ones, and put your backlinks on the same sources as your competitor does. So it's pretty helpful to conduct your backlinks over here. Let's go next. I will show you the site audit at first, and then we'll get to the rank tracker. Site audit, it's pretty easy to use tool, because you just need here to add your project, your domain name, choose the number of threads, choose the number of pages you want to check. Also, you can check subdomains or not, and choose the necessary like crawler, which will go through your website. After all these steps, it will take some time. It depends on how many pages, how large your website is. And after the analyzing, you will have the report about the errors due to technical optimization of your website. We have the groups of all these errors. We provide you with all the necessary information over here. And also we have the priorities of your errors to understand what should you use in the first order. According to all the errors, we provide you with the most details about their name, about their description, and recommendation how to fix it. And in more details, you will find all the pages which consist these exact errors. So you have a great possibility to export this data and show, for example, your customers, or you can export this in XLS and give your programmers and ask to fix out all this stuff and make your website is clean by the technical optimization. And also we have the custom overview in the site audit, and after your scanning, you can set up the filters to give understanding to Serpstat, which is really error on your website, but maybe you just testing something, and Serpstat doesn't need to consider this stuff as an error. So here you can play with everything and choose some special analysis and make the custom overview of your site audit. So it's pretty easy to work with, because you just need to input your domain and we find all the necessary for your technical optimization fixing. Okay, and after the site audit, let's move to the rank tracker. I love this tool the best because we have really deep and great and detailed rank tracker. First of all, when you create such project in rank tracker, you should go through the settings and set up several steps. First of all, you should add your domain. You can add unlimited number of competitors over here to see parallelly how do they change their positions according to the same list of keywords which you will add. In search engine, you can choose any region and any country and any city which you want to. For example, United States, here are all their states, here are all their cities. So you can make your local tracking at any as many regions as you want to. And for example, here's my project, and I'm tracking my positions exactly in this city, but we do not have the database according to this exact city. But rank tracker allows to track your positions all over the world in any state. So on the third step, you should add your keywords. Surely the easiest way is to import them by CSV or TXT file. You can also, after adding, select tags or add a tags, because if you have different categories of goods or services or something, you can add these tags and make the groups of your keywords, because if you have the huge list of keywords, it will help you to save your time and analyze each of your groups, but not the full list of them. So here you can add as many tags as you need and make the groups of them. The fourth step is to set up the time of tracking. You can choose daily tracking, or every 3 days, or every 7 days, and according to this time, the positions of your domain will be changed surely. And also on the last step, you can invite a user, for example, for your customer, to give the access to rank tracker, so they will be able to look through their positions. And if you want to, you can give the admin role for your colleagues in your office, etc., and give their possibility to work with your projects also. So after all these steps, you will have such report. Let it load it up. Yeah. So after all the steps, you will have such report where you will find your list of keywords, their URLs, their groups, positions, volume, and history of changings. We have here also the rank distribution to see how many keywords you have in different tabs. And the great thing which we have launched some time ago, it's the storm of the keyword, where you can find the dynamics of each of your keywords. You can look through how it's changed, is everything's all right, or there is some strange dynamics, and make some results, and make some thoughts about it. Also, we have the SERP snippets according to keywords, and top 10 of the websites who also rank for this exact keyword, and their dynamics also. Besides, here we have the competitors report, which can greatly help you to be acquainted with your market sharing. I mean that we show you how many traffic your website gain in comparison with all the another one websites. And also, if you will choose some group of your keywords, you can even look through the traffic share basis on some specific groups. So in this case, I see that this group of keywords have lower traffic than the total list of my keywords. So I understand that I can improve my optimization, I can make it better and attract more traffic, because I have like several competitors who right now owns more traffic than me. So traffic share, it's really great tool to be acquainted with your market sharing all the time. Certainly, we keep the history of your dynamics in Serpstat, so you can look through the positions of your website from the beginning of your tracking. It's really reasonable to use to find out, for example, the seasonality of your goods, the trendings of your goods, etc. And also, our advantage before a lot of like other services in the world is that if someone got on Serpstat before you and already tracked your keywords, you will be able to choose the date even before your beginning of tracking, because we do not track just your domain and your positions. We track top 100 websites who also rank for the same keywords as you are. So when you are tapping on any keyword from your list, you will find additional 100 websites who also rank for your keywords. So there are like a lot of data to be analyzed. You can analyze each of these websites and find some useful data from each of them. And also, if you will choose the specific dates, you can look through the dynamics of all these websites in the period of time. So it's really huge data to be analyzed to make some marketing research, and also and always be acquainted not just with your positions and your like overview, but you can also be in touch with all this website and see all their positions and see dynamics, how do they change there. So guys, it was about the rank tracker, and I hope that you will find it really useful. So truly speaking, it's like everything I have shown you. I'm sorry, let me get back to my project list. So I have shown you all the models which we have and all the main features which can greatly help you to conduct all your processes in SEO, in PPC research, etc. I can say that we are always growing. We are always updating our tools, our features, our models, and we are going to be better every day. So also you can, like, if you have any maybe additional questions or you need some assistance with get acquainted with the Serpstat, you can direct your queries to the technical support. Our guys will help you And also, if you want to, you can find me in Facebook, in LinkedIn, in Twitter, everywhere. My name is Slava Kashchenko. So you can add me and ask anything you are interested in. Sorry. Okay. So surely I advise you to visit our blog, where you can find a lot of useful cases from our team, from our users' experience, which can also help you to work with Serpstat to conduct some specific processes in different ways. And next week, Igor, our marketing head, he will hold the demonstration of the advanced possibilities of Serpstat. So if you're interested in, you can follow our news and find the next webinar next week. So let me go to the YouTube. Okay, and let me check if we have some questions to be answered. Okay, and let me check if we have some questions to. Okay, unfortunately, I didn't see where you questioned about the keyword difficulty, but for right now it's available in keyword selection. When creating Adil, for right now, you can make PDF reports anytime you want to. Automated reports will be released a little bit later. And yes, all these features are available for AppSumo program. Okay, I see that we do not have any additional questions, so so I will. Okay, let me. Okay, I see that we do not have any additional questions, so if you will need anything, any assistance or something, feel absolutely free to contact us for technical support or directly me, and we will help you with everything. So thank you for visiting my webinar. I hope that you will find Serpstat as a great and useful tool, and see you later, guys. Thank you. Bye.